So you like samosas? Well, you're in the right place. In just a moment, I'm going to show you how to make these gorgeous, tasty, golden crisp samosas, the best you will ever make. Hey guys, welcome back to the Cheeky Indianish food that will blow your taste buds apart. And that's right, yes, we're making samosas today. We're going to show you step by step how to make the filling, how to fill them, everything you need to know as how to get these golden delicious treats from our video into your kitchen. So thanks again to everyone that subscribed, and please remember to give us a thumbs up, and for those who haven't, please subscribe. It's absolutely free and it lets us share the food love. Speaking of which, all the ingredients and links are in the description below, so don't worry, you won't miss a thing. Okay, so are you hungry? I know I'm hungry. Let's make some samosas. So we're going to kick off with the filling here, and for this it's really simple. Just need one pan and some basic ingredients. Let's go. Right, so in your pan drop in about 2 tablespoons of oil, and then we've got here about 1.5 cups of diced potato, about just under a centimetre. Now chuck it all in the pan. Now we've got here 1 cup of chopped carrots, 1 cup of petit pois, or any kind of peas would be fine. I've actually used frozen ones here, they work really well. Now for the spicing, we've got 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to tang it up with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can use bottled or fresh, entirely up to you. And a surprise ingredient, we've got 1 teaspoon of sugar here. The lemon and sugar work really well together. 1/4 cup of chopped onion. Again, throw it straight into the pot. And here we've got 1/4 cup of chopped fresh coriander or cilantro. Again, just throw that straight in. Now give everything a gentle stir. So that's our mix. We're going to let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Give a little stir in between if you have to. And this is what you should have at the end of it. Fresh and vibrant vegetables, not mushy at all. This is perfect. Now I haven't forgotten the spice, so don't worry. We've got a special mix here of 1/2 teaspoon of clove and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix that up, drop that straight on top of the vegetable mix and give it a good stir. Have a little taste of this final mix. You'll see exactly what I mean about the well balanced flavours. Put the mix to one side, let it cool down. Right, are you ready to make some shapes? Perfect, let's get cracking. So we need some basics here, some pastry glue made up of 1 part flour, 1 part water, and a bowl of warm water. That's literally just to keep your fingers clean. Next we need our samosa wraps. For this we're going to use spring roll pastry. Now spring roll pastry normally comes as a square, so what I do is I take about 1 inch off one end of the pastry, like this, and then what we have left we cut in half. These are the best and perfect proportions for the samosas that we're going to be making today. So grab 2 sheets of the samosa pastry. Now fold over the left corner like this. Dab a bit of pastry glue along the edge here. And then fold over the right, just like that, and you create a triangle. Now flip it over and open up the top edge to reveal this lovely cone. Okay, so now we've got a cone. We're going to fill it with about 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoons of our cooled down samosa mixture. Just like that. Now gently press the mixture down. And now grab a little dab of glue, paste it along the top of the envelope. Pull the top down confidently, be careful not to tear. And this is going to create a nice little snug seal. Pat down any loose bits and add a little bit of glue under any loose pastry and just glue them down. Seal up all the edges if you can, just like this. Now it probably will get messy, don't worry. And don't worry if you don't get it right first time. You got loads to make and nobody's going to know the difference once they're all cooked. Repeat that for the entire batch of the mix and the pastries that you have until you've finished. And when they're all ready, it'll be time to fry. So grab yourself a nice deep pan, half fill it with vegetable oil and heat oil up to about 155 C or 310 Fahrenheit. So you're going to have a lot of samosas, and if you don't want to fry them all now, this is a perfect time to pack them away. They store really well. Grab yourself a piece of Tupperware, put some parchment paper in the bottom, fill fill it with all of the samosas, and then drop another piece of parchment paper over the top, and then just drop the lid on, and bang, there you go, perfect for the fridge or for the freezer. Right, so back to frying, and we're going to drop in our samosas one at a time. Don't overload the pan, put in about 3 or 4. Now we want to keep turning them, and they will slowly turn golden brown, just like these. Now if the oil's at the right temperature, it will take about 3 minutes to get to this stage. Absolutely perfect golden brown samosas. Now do not bite into them, let them drain on a kitchen towel, get all the oil out, and when they've cooled down a bit, just cut one open to make sure it's cooked through. These, if I say so myself, are absolutely perfect. So repeat, repeat, repeat until they're all cooked. And now it's time to eat. These go so well with so many different types of sauces, but the best thing you can do is crack one open just like this. Get a nice squeeze of fresh lemon juice, drip it all over the top, let it soak in, and take a big bite. Now this isn't the end, guys, this is just the beginning. I want to see how your samosas turn out. Drop a comment below, let us know what you think, and if you've had some value out of this video today, don't forget to hit thumbs up and please subscribe. Remember, it's free and it lets the YouTube guys know that we possibly might just be doing something right here. Let us know, and we'll see you in the next video, which is coming up right now.